Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will see the two codes to check if your HyperOS phone is real or not. Now for the first code, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, as you can see, the IMEI code of your smartphone will appear on the display. Now from here, just compare the IMEI code on the screen to the IMEI code on your smartphone's box. Now from here, make sure they are both the same. Now the second code to check if your HyperOS phone is real or not is *#64663#*#. Now from here, you can check the hardware of your smartphone and you can check if your smartphone is real or not. Now for an example, from here you can check the speaker, the main mic, the headphone jack, the Wi-Fi, the SIM cards, the SD card, and also you can test the touch panel, just like that. And these are the two codes to check if your HyperOS phone is real or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.